Hi, my name is Renan. We are here in the Philippine National Police, and this is the Philippine Constabulary Awarding Declaration. And this is all the Medal of Valor Pyramidal, and this is the Distinguished Conduct Star Medal. Thank you.
Very these are following persons that deserves to get these following medals.
Hi, I'm Sarine Bao. Now we're here in PSP National Museum here in Camp Rame. Now we can see the different patches of PNP and the different kind of shoes and the other weapon. That's all things.
Hi, I'm Melanie Ragudon, and we are here at the National Museum. At the back, you see the different kind of uniform of our police officer. The old and the new uniform of our police officer.